So this is the Redmi Note 14, the vanilla version, and it's starting at $170 if you buy directly from mainland China today. And of course, if you buy from a sponsor, it will be a little more expensive because they have to add, shipping fee, stock fee, all those things. But it's still an unbelievable price. And during the test, I found something that I really like. So this video, let's just give it a detailed look. And let's see if it is the best budget phone in 2024. Let's get started. First thing, unboxing. Redmi Note 14 powered by HyperOS. And some information here that you may, never read it. Okay, open the box. We have the insert. Well, usual stuff, SIM card ejector, a phone case, manual, those. I noticed like several years ago, Xiaomi just don't give this kind of cheaper, transparent phone case. Now they all adopt this kind of better quality rubber case. Should be better, right? Second layer, obviously phone. We'll take a good close at it later. And under that we have the 40 watts fast charger and also Type-C cable, and that's the unboxing. And now let's just move to the phone. So this is the Redmi Note 14. Wow, it's lightweight. Let me give you a quick design walkthrough. So on top, what? Do you see that? It still has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Oh my goodness, yes. Of course I will do the new release Redmi Buds 6 a little bit later, but it's just quite amazing to see this headphone port in 2024. We have the speaker here, infrared blaster and DNO's mic. That's the top, and move to the left side. The bottom we have the SIM card slot, Type-C speaker, DNO's mic. And here, volume rocker, power key. That's the usual classic, Xiaomi design. Here, Redmi. Wow, I like this finish. To be honest, it's like kind of glossy, and when you it not tends to get the fingerprints or smudges, no matter what, And here is the camera module. That is basically the design. And if you're wondering about the front screen, this is how it looks like, okay? But one thing though, I noticed that it has such black borders, right? It's the specs, some specs here, detail information, the specs, you can check it out here. I'm not gonna read it. Let's just check out the camera. This is the camera. So, we're supposed up to 50 megapixel maximum resolution. And documents, videos, the video, the front. So the back camera supports 10. Let's check. The back supports up to 1080/30. Ooh. Only 1080/30. That is a little bit lower, right? All right, now this is the rear camera, 1080/30. As you can see, I can see something, right? So up close is the Oppo. Supports up to 6 times of zoom. 6 times zoom, all the way to 1. Okay, that's the zoom, and let's run a little bit. It's surprisingly stable, to be honest. It's surprisingly stable. Let me check the front camera if you are interested. So the front, at the same time, 1080/30. So this is the 1030 from the front. So you can check the quality. Don't expect too much, right? But I can still see my face, okay? And the focus is really great and it looks stable. That's it. The photo is supposed to do like 1 time, 2 time zoom, 3 and 10 and up to 20. No ultra wide, portrait. It even offers portrait, and that's the camera. Tomorrow, there's one thing I found that I'm transferring the files because I just took some videos and just transferred to my Oppo Find X7 Ultra. We're also downloading. I found that it's not hot. It's not like, warm at all. It's like so cool. Okay, I'm now going to test an Antutu. Yes, you're right. It's surprisingly cool. That's the Antutu Benchmark. As you can see, I mean, I said the whole thing is like not getting warm at all. So the highest is like 38. The total score is like 464K. The CPU, GPU, UX, more information here. Wow. I like it. It's a 170 US dollar phone. What do you expect? Good hand feel, good build quality, decent camera for this price. I'm just surprised, you know, the best budget 5G phone in 2024. I guess no one would object that, right? Wow.